So, today we're exploring the other side of the train tracks. I'm doing my video too. And we're also gonna smash. We're also gonna smash some of the bottles. So, and this is part 2.
Yeah, this one's part 2.
Well, I had done a video on part 1, but unfortunately I accidentally pressed delete on the thing because I was trying to go to another image, to another photo I had to show glitchy Toasty Boy.
Toasty Boy.
I was trying to show him a picture, and I clicked delete by accident. So
he's a stupid.
my part, his part is I'm doing part 1. He's doing.
Can you English or not?
English is hard, okay?
No, it's.
Considering I was born.
My God, the train hit somebody.
Oh no.
This is a
I probably don't even care to finish my sentence. Because I don't care. Oh yeah, this is Woody. Woody!
I found paper.
Paper mache?
No, I'm actually being serious. Look at this.
Actually, I once made a paper mache pig. It looked like, it kind of looked like a butt. You wasn't intending to.
Oh, that's nice.
It was in school too.
Wow, this is way longer.
Yeah, it was way longer than last time. That's what she said.
I don't know if I should go back and turn.
Ooh, a train. So illegal.
Stay on yourself. I could scream.
I crawled through there.
Yeah, same here. Look how long the train is. Oh my God, it's Goofy Boy. Oh wow, somebody actually drew themselves.
Oh, it's Boomer Boy.
Ah.
Probably not.
It looks like Boomer Boy.
By the way, Boomer Boy is technically me, but
Yeah, he's a Boomer Boy. 11.5-inch comp shows.
comp shows.
Comp
Comp shoes.
Comp shoe.
Shoe competitions, yes.
Government thing.
Governmental shoe competitions, yes.
Whatever it's called. Governmental shoe competition. There will be a part 2 and a part 3. This is part 2, and I will have part 3. Hey, look.
Part 3, yes.
Fake.
Fake. Every time you see a shotgun shell, you have to scream.
Just lean over, scream at it. But yeah.
I almost walked into the bush.
Let's abuse the bush. That was so clean.
Woody's gonna hang here for a bit. Get it? He's gonna hang here for a bit. Oh yeah, we're leaving him overnight here.
Yeah.
And we're gonna get him in the morning.
Oh yeah, we'll have a part 4 then.
Part 3, probably.
Part 4.
Part 4, yeah.
Stupid.
Part 3 will be us on the other side smashing bottles.
And then part 4 I will be in the morning.
Yep. When we get him again.
And comment what else.
If he's still there.
If he's still there.
I mean, we don't know if he's gonna be gone, but yeah, Woody.
Holy crap, talk about a long train.
Wait, what if we tied him to the train?
No, I'm not risking that. No, I'm not doing that. Are you dumb?
Honestly, if I were ever to rent a train, I would do that.
Yeah.
Just put a toy on it and let it drive. I want to see if it like set it on fire, going so fast. Blow it up because of the compression, or just skid across the ground and spark everything. Basically, catching it on fire. Actually, if this is a new train, there's probably going to be a lot of people working on this at the moment.
And then we may do a part 5, just walking all the way down
That side?
Not this side.
That side. That side. Because it goes for a while.
Yeah.
As Toasty Toes tells me.
Yeah. And I think there's an abandoned train station back there.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Probably shouldn't be filming governmental property.
Whatever. It's not government.
Wait, you need it. Die. No.
Frog?
No.
Where is it? Good job, Will.
Another one. Either that was a moth or it was
That's
another
a
one.
moth.
Okay. Extra.
Well, rip Mr. Froggy.
Oh yeah. Toad, as we
should have
call
made
it.
a vlog.
Yeah. We basically found a frog. We named him Toad because we're weird.
Yeah.
And then-
I might post a picture of him
Yeah.
later, but I don't know.
Is that or we can make a video montage? Although we don't got many images of him, but
Yeah, I only have.
we could just take some from the internet and call him that.
Yeah.
I mean, he's still a frog anyway.
Do not hammer on this side of car. Okay.
So we'll go to the other side and hammer it.
That's a big propane tank, I just realized.
Or it could be water as well.
Have you noticed water?
Oh, is that a deer all the way down there that I cannot see on camera? No, I'm actually serious. I think I just saw a thing going across the tracks.
Oh, cool.
I don't know if it was a bear, baby bear, or a baby deer. But hey,
Jabba.
I don't care. Well, this is the end, so what are we doing?
I don't know. Yeah. That's, I guess, it for this
I mean, we can walk back.
part 2.
Or we can walk back.
There's nothing. The only thing we saw is that literally just whatever. Alright, then I guess we'll walk it back then.
We'll walk back, and then...
Yeah, then I'll end the video and then part 3 will be up soon. Part 2 will be up soon. So yeah.
Up.
Part 5 today.
Part 5?
No. So this is part 2, right?
Yeah.
Part 2, part 3, part 4, and part 5.
Today?
No.
Okay.
Part 5 will be Woody, and then part 4 will be us walking all the way down that way. I'm sorry, guys. I had to. It's satisfying.
Yes. My leg's hurting. My leg's starting to hurt.
Good for you.
So I don't care.
Good for you.
It's good to not care about your well-being. Probably not.
That's sad.
That was totally a joke. Don't take that seriously.
Yeah. Please care about yourself, guys.
And your teeth.
Yeah, and your
Brush
teeth.
your teeth.
Brush your teeth. Yeah, don't brush your teeth.
If you brush your teeth, you can eat candy. If you don't brush your teeth, you can't eat anything except soup. And no one likes soup. Well, I like soup, but
I like soup too.
I like sush soup. No,
I like sausages.
like a sussy baka soup.
So yeah, I guess that'll be it because all we're doing is just walking back and forth. And then we're gonna smash some marbles, and I'm gonna set up my phone. I guess here. And somewhere. But we have to walk-
Let's end the video when we get to the end of the train.
yeah. So we might. Oh, wait. Will, there's actually stuff in here. Here we go.
Let's go.
Because why not?
Yeah, why not?
And I want to hit some glass with this stick, which you will see later. Our battery is 48%. Okay,
What exploded?
is at 40%, so we're good.
Your phone?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ow! I be running around still. I be running around.
I'm switching my hand, or like, yeah, because I can't hold this anymore.
I'm switching my hand with
I think we have to cross back over. Crossing over.
This is very dangerous. Don't do this.
Never do this because if the train decides to start, you're dead.
Yeah, but the train is like abandoned, I guess.
Although no, it's new, so it's probably not gonna be that much
There's
bad.
graffiti on it, so. Oh, and they still have to connect those two cars, and then they can start moving. So yeah. That's pretty much it.
Should we end the video?
Yeah. So this is the end of the video, part 2. This
Part
will be up
3
shortly.
will
And
be
yeah.
coming out soon.
Yes. Like, sub, and comment.
Like, sub,
And yeah. Bye.
see you in the next video. Bye.